Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate ticket alerts on an event or multiple events on the TicketSwap application. You have to enter the app first, and you can either search that event in the upper search bar, basically here, or you can just scroll down and look among the events that are trending nearby you. Maybe you will find the event that you're looking for. Now, for an example, I'm going to use the Beach Please event. If you click on it and scroll down a little, you will see the Get Ticket Alerts option here, and you just activate it instantly with one click. And you can do it with multiple events if you want. You can just do it with one, depends on your taste. But if you want to see the entire list of events that you have activated this option for, then you should go back from here with this arrow right at the top, and now look at the bottom and you will see the count option, the fourth one in the corner. Press on it, and you will see here almost in the middle of the screen the ticket alerts option. If you click on it, every event that you have activated this option for will appear here. So that would be it. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.